Is your smartphone officially a dinosaur? The gap between a standard phone and a true AI powerhouse has become a canyon, and if you aren't carrying one of these 6 devices, you are literally living in the past. Today, we are breaking down the absolute titans of the mobile world. From privacy shields that block wandering eyes to batteries that last 3 days on a single charge. We are diving deep into the definitive rankings of Apple versus Android to see who actually owns the throne. Stick around until the very end, because the winner of the battery test is going to completely change how you look at your daily carry. Welcome to TechTrekNet, I'm your host, now watch this. First up, we have the heavyweight champion for creators, the Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max. This 256GB beast isn't just a phone, it is a professional cinema rig that fits in your pocket. With this version moving exclusively to eSIM, the connectivity is seamless, but the real magic is the A19 Pro chip. This silicon is designed specifically for heavy Apple Intelligence tasks and high-resolution video rendering without dropping a single frame. The new titanium unibody makes it lighter and tougher than ever, while the Spatial Audio Pro mic array means you can record a podcast-quality voiceover standing in the middle of a crowded street. It also features a new ultra-wide sensor that pulls in 40% more light for those moody, cinematic night shots. If you care about video fidelity and the highest resale value on the market, the 17 Pro Max remains the undisputed king of the hill. Switching gears to the Android side, we have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and this thing is a productivity monster. Right now, it's coming with a $200 gift card, but the real value is in the hardware. Samsung introduced the privacy display, which uses a specialized layer to automatically hide your screen from people sitting next to you the moment you start typing a password or opening a banking app. The Galaxy AI has evolved into a full-on digital butler with Now Nudge, which organizes your life and suggests responses before you even ask. With a 200-megapixel AI camera and super fast, charging 3.0, this phone is for the power user who refuses to compromise on specs or security. You also get the improved S Pen with lower latency, making digital signatures and photo markups feel as natural as using a real pen on paper. This is the ultimate tool for anyone who runs their entire business from their palm. Rounding out the top 3 is the iPhone 17 Pro. This is for the person who wants all that Pro Max power, hardest phone ever made, the Google Pixel 10 Pro. Powered by the next-gen Tensor G5 chip, this device is built entirely around Gemini AI. You don't even have to type anymore. You just talk to Gemini live like a real person, or, point your camera at a landmark to get a full history lesson and travel tips in real time. The 6.3-inch Super Actua display is the brightest in the industry at 3,300 nits, meaning you can see every detail of your 50-megapixel images, even in direct sunlight. With 100 times ProRes zoom, the Pixel 10 Pro is officially the king of still photography, making it, honestly, the best choice for anyone who wants their phone to think for them. It even includes a magic editor that can completely relight a scene after you've already taken the photo, ensuring every shot looks like it was handled by a professional editor. If you want something radically different, look at the iPhone Air. Apple finally killed off the Plus model and replaced it with the thinnest, lightest iPhone in history. It's a design marvel that uses a single-lens fusion camera and AI to mimic the depth and clarity of a traditional triple-lens system. It's the fashion-forward choice, focusing on aesthetics and portability without sacrificing the big screen experience. The stainless steel frame has been swapped for a high-strength alloy that allows it to be incredibly thin, while remaining rigid enough to survive your back pocket. It's sleek, it's futuristic, and honestly, it's the most comfortable phone to hold that Apple has ever produced. If you want the screen real estate but hate the bulk of a Pro phone, the Air is the elegant solution you've been waiting for. Finally, we have the spec sheet king, the OnePlus 15. This phone is a direct attack on every other flagship because of its massive 7,300 mAh battery. While everyone else is hunting for a charger by dinner time, the OnePlus 15 is just getting started and can easily push into a third day of moderate use. With 16 gigabytes of RAM and the Snapdragon 8 Elite, it is an absolute speed demon that handles multitasking better than some laptops. It also features an insane 165Hz AMOLED display and an IP69 rating, meaning it's built to survive extreme conditions like high-pressure water jets that would kill an iPhone or a Galaxy. The charging speeds are also mind-blowing, taking you from 0 to full in less than 25 minutes with the included proprietary brick. If you want raw performance and a battery that lasts for days, this is your winner. Let's do a quick recap to see which one fits your pocket. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is your go-to if you're a serious content creator who needs the best video and the most reliable ecosystem for your gear. It's the ultimate tool for the professional on the move who needs a camera and a workstation in one device. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is the choice for the tech enthusiast who wants every possible feature, from the S Pen to the groundbreaking privacy display. It remains the most versatile and powerful Android phone you can buy for productivity and security. The iPhone 7 Pro is for the AI-first user. If you want a phone that acts as a true personal assistant and takes the most realistic still photos in the business, the Pixel is the smartest investment you can make. The iPhone Air is for the trendsetter. If you value a thin, light design and a massive screen over pro-level camera lenses, the Air is the most stylish and comfortable device on the market today. The OnePlus 15 is for the power user who hates charging. With its 7,300 mAh battery and 165Hz screen, it is the highest spec beast on this list for anyone who demands pure endurance and raw speed. That's it for today's roundup. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description. See you next time on TechTrekNet. Oh, and make the background music house music beats.